Have you ever witnessed a judge go completely ballistic and lose it in court? I was there for unpaid parking tickets. $847 worth. Nothing crazy, just forgot to pay them during a rough few months. The courtroom was packed that Tuesday morning, maybe 60 people waiting, all crammed into those uncomfortable wooden benches. The judge was this older guy, had to be in his late 60s. Gray hair, reading glasses hanging on a chain. He looked exhausted, like he'd been doing this for decades and stopped caring somewhere around year 15. He barely looked up from his papers when calling cases, just monotone. Case number 2847, State versus Morrison. How do you plead? Before my case, there was this kid, couldn't have been older than 19, skinny, wearing a wrinkled button-up shirt that was too big for him. His hands were shaking, charged with criminal mischief and vandalism. He'd spray-painted his ex-girlfriend's car after she cheated on him. Apparently, he wrote liar across her windshield in bright red paint. The prosecutor was this woman in her 40s. Designer suit, perfect hair. She stood up and said the damage was estimated at $1,200 and recommended 60 days in county jail plus restitution and probation. The public defender, this guy who looked like he just graduated law school last week, said absolutely nothing. Just stood there nodding. Didn't object, didn't speak. Nothing. I watched the kid's face drop. He thought his lawyer would at least try. The judge leaned forward. For the first time all day, he actually looked at someone. Young man, do you have anything to say before I pass sentence? The kid's voice cracked when he spoke. Your Honor, I know what I did was wrong. I'm not trying to make excuses, but she posted videos of her and the guy on Instagram, tagged me in them. She wanted me to see it. I just lost it for one night. I bought a can of spray paint from Home Depot for $4.67 and went to her apartment. The judge went completely silent. Then his hand started shaking. He removed his reading glasses slowly. How long were you two together? He asked. His voice was different now. Quiet. 3 years, sir. Since sophomore year of...
Want to see part 2? Download TikTok and search Novel King to watch the rest now.